The 2024 Yamaha Montana 15 is the latest iteration of the popular naked Streetfighter motorcycle. It features a number of updates and improvements over the previous model, including a new engine, design, and features. Engine and performance. The biggest change for the 2024 MT-15 is its new engine. It is now powered by a 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces 19.2 PS of power and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque. This is a significant increase over the previous model's 149cc engine, which produced 18.2 PS of power and 14.1 Newton-meters of torque. The new engine is also more efficient than the old one, and it meets the latest emission standards. It is also more responsive and easier to ride, making it a better choice for both experienced and novice riders. Design. The 2024 MT-15 has also received a design refresh. It now has a more aggressive and muscular look, with a new headlight, taillight, and tank shroud. The bike also has a new seat and exhaust system. Features. The 2024 MT-15 comes with a number of new features, including a new fully digital instrument cluster with a gear position indicator and shift light, a new traction control system that helps to prevent the rear wheel from spinning, a new slipper clutch that makes downshifting smoother and prevents the rear wheel from locking up, a new dual-channel ABS system that provides better braking performance in all conditions. Overall, the 2024 Yamaha Montana 15 is a significant improvement over the previous model. It has a more powerful and efficient engine, a more aggressive and muscular design, and a number of new features. It is a great choice for riders of all experience levels who are looking for a fun and exciting motorcycle. Pricing and availability. The 2024 Yamaha Montana 15 is expected to be launched in India in early 2024. The price is not yet known, but it is expected to be slightly higher than the previous model.